Hey you guys, so today we're going to be working with Unice hair. This is the beautiful packaging that I received, and I have to say I'm very excited about the video that we're doing today. They sent me over something different, so we're doing something a little new on this channel. So when you first open the box, you have a bunch of goodies, and also they sent me an elastic band. So they sent me over a 24-inch Kinky Curly V-part wig. So we're not working with any lace today at all. This is the wig construction. So as you can see, it is a V-part. It has 2 clips around the V. It has 2 clips on the side, 1 clip in the back, and also adjustable straps. And it also has a clip in the middle. This kinky curly texture is so beautiful. The curls are already just popping, and I'm very excited to get into this install. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, today we're working with Unice hair, and I have the unit right here as I showed in the beginning. I pulled my hair back into a ponytail. My hair is a little short, so I had to pin the top so it could lay. So I plan on showing 3 ways you can wear this wig. The first way is a very beginner type of style. They advertise this as you're able to wear this wig with no leave out at all. So I'm going to be showing that way first, and then we're going to spice it up a little bit. And then we're gonna really put some umpy-dumpy ump on it at the end with the last style. So yeah, let's get into the first way. I do want to apologize that the lighting did change a little bit throughout this video. I tried to film in a new setting just to give y'all something different, so you're not watching the same thing all the time. But the light did go in and out on a couple of scenes, so I do apologize for that. But the quality is not like that the whole video. So yeah, stay tuned. To do the no leave out at all, you just want to make sure that you clip the clips as close as possible, only exposing your part only to make it more natural looking, as natural as you can get it to look without having to leave out. My hair is a little thin towards the front, so I couldn't clip the clips as close together. If your hair is fuller, you'll have no problem. But yeah, this is the first look. This is the no leave out way. For me, this wouldn't work. My hair is kind of thin, and the clips, they're holding in, but I just would want it to be closer, just since it's already like no leave out. Like, I guess it's supposed to give an illusion of like a quick weave, when we used to do like the invisible quick weave parts. So it's giving me that look. Me, I wouldn't wear it this way, but I am going to show 2 other ways that you can wear this wig. It's very beautiful. I love the curls. I haven't put anything on it. This is it straight out the box. I didn't wet it or anything. Like, this is a really pretty unit. But yeah, let's get into another method, another way that we I have sectioned out my leave out in a V shape, and I'm just going to clip the wig back on. I'm going to start off by drenching the wig with water. I wanted to get it nice and saturated before putting it on my head. Just because I don't know about y'all, but I just hate spraying my hair and getting all wet and stuff. I'm going to wet my hair and I'm going to add a moisturizing cream along with a gel, and I'll leave all the products that I used on my hair down below in the description box. This is with me blending in my hair. As you can see, my hair is short, so if your hair was longer to match the wig, you can let this dry and you'll be ready to go, okay? But since my hair is short, I am going to go ahead and put a little layers into it so that it can blend in with my hair. And baby, this could be a get up and go type of thing, because once you do the whole process with your natural hair with the products, you won't have to keep redoing. The only thing you have to do is just re-wet it and it'll reactivate the products, and yeah, you can just clip this on and go. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and layer it and then let you guys see. matches my hair now. I could add a little bit more if I wanted to, but just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna just leave it right there. But yeah, this would be a perfect go-to wig for me. And no heat on my hair. I'm loving it. Round it out a little bit more to blend in with my hair, so it can just be perfect for my hair type. Like I said, if your hair is longer, the inch that I got, or it probably work exactly for you with you having to do no cutting. But like I said, my hair is short, I'm growing my hair back, so I did have to tweak it a little bit. So yeah, this is the second way you can wear it, and now I'm going to show you the third way. And since I have colored and layered it a little bit, I'm thinking it's gonna work. It's just an idea in my head that I'm thinking that I can do. I don't know yet, so we're gonna see. But I was not, so I'm so sorry about that. But basically, as I already said, I clipped the whole wig together, no leave out, and I went from the shortest piece that I cut from to match my leave out, my starting guide. I took that, and now I'm just going and layering it out, and that way when I switch back to my leave out, it'll definitely be perfect this time, because it's cut directly to the length of guide of my leave out. And yeah, I'm just doing this so that this style that I'm trying to do is gonna look a lot better. So I'm just going in and basically just layering it up, layering it up. Alright, so that did make it look a lot better. And yeah, this is the last style I thought of. I feel like when it dries, I'll be able to like fluff it out more, and it'll really like give what it's supposed to give, what I'm trying to give. Once it is actually dry. Was my favorite. It's definitely giving this is my hair, like this is my natural hair, like it's giving what it's supposed to give. I highly recommend this wig. It's very good if you want something that's quick and easy, and also a protective style. You don't have to worry about putting any type of heat on your hair with this wig. And yeah, I'm really loving it. Make sure you check the description box down below for all the information on this wig. And yes, honey, this is my hair. This is my hair. This is growing out of my scalp, honey. Woo! 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 But no, I'm definitely loving this wig. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which one was your favorite look. Which way would you wear it? And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.